Well guys, our next topic is going to be on email marketing for ton of reviews. So guys, you don't have to go anywhere else. You have to come to Jungle Scout, and you will already have this email marketing campaign that we bought this as we earlier bought this pack, this $49 or $39 per month pack. So as you scroll down, you can see this is our email campaigns, so the only thing you have to do is you have to link your Amazon selling account with Jungle Scout, and you have to add product. And what Jungle Scout will have is they will have a pre-created template, or you can edit the template that they will give you, and then whenever a customer buys a product from Amazon, Jungle Scout will automatically send those emails to your customers. So guys, it's as simple as that. So this way you will have a more of a chance to get reviews from your customers rather than leaving this opportunity on the table, guys. So you can give it a try when you buy this pack, this $39 or $49 per month pack. It's all together bundled in one this pack, guys. So you don't have to go anywhere else for your email campaigns, and this is very simple to use, guys. So hope you guys got an example how you can create a follow-up emails with your customers.